up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. We're doing a thing today. We got the Old Volks, Texas Old Volks Oktoberfest cruise through Texas. We're gonna end up at a German restaurant. We're gonna have us some German food, some Spatzel. Oh, it's gonna be amazing. And we got quite a few cars here, and we picked up a few other people that were just driving by and happened to see us and want to join us, so they're gonna come too. Let's walk around, get to say hi to everybody, and then let's get moving. We made it. Man, what a beautiful cruise. And look at all these sweet cars. Buses? Mostly buses. That's what I like to see anyways. We picked up some a couple more on the way. Made some new friends in the parking lot that came with us. How was that?
That was awesome.
You ever done anything like that before?
No, first time.
We do this all the time.
It's fun.
First time, first club.
Love it.
Find us on the YouTubes.
Oh, I will.
And you get to watch it.
I'm gonna watch. You gonna post it?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I'm watching it. Hey, thank you for inviting us out. I really appreciate it, man. This was awesome.
Oh boy, what a party. Super fun. We got live music. We got everybody eating German food. We got tons of beers. People walking around. Pretty good. The band is about to play here. A full brass band with tubas and accordions. We got everybody still waiting in line. They're alright. Over here on the dark side of the party. He's dancing and the music's not even going. And we got a nice fire pit. So it's pretty great. We'll get a little more walking around footage. It's kind of dark to film, but I'm gonna do my best for you guys. We'll try it. See if we can get the kids dancing later. All right. Oh man, what an amazing night.
Awesome. A lot of good times.
Super fun. Schnitzel and beer and
so good.
Polka music and tubas.
Stuff.
Chicken dance.
Nice.
What do you think, kid?
It was fun.
You're way in the back.
It was fun. I like playing around with the other kids.
And sticking stuff in the fire and having a good time?
Sure.
Super fun.
Perfect. Good times.
Buy t-shirts from us at the link down below. Check us out at Volks America magazine and Volks Mania magazine. Check out our friends. And thanks for watching.